Welcome today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10 and I'll show you how to enable ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the sounds and vibration section. Now as you can see here, your ringtone volume is turned off. Just to set up the volume, swipe with your finger to the right side. And also we got the second way how you can do that. Just tap here, press your volume button and go here to the three dots and just swipe with your finger to the up. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.